Welcome to week 2 trade recap on my 1K GOAT funded traders prop firm account.
Day, everyone. This is Saturday, 14th February 2026. This is the second week on my goatfundedtrader's 1K account. So this is my trade recap for the week. This video we're talking about the trades I took, how they went, the lessons I learned, and we kept all that. So I'll be talking about how far I've gone. We'll be discussing a lot, and let's head on to the chart so that we'll be able to see more of the trades I took and talk about that. Yeah. So let's go to the charts. Okay. So this is basically my chart. This is GPS chart on the 50-minute time frame. I didn't take too many trades because the week wasn't so well. I believe anyone who traded this week actually felt the week, because I felt it if you didn't. So GBUSD. This is the trade I took. So what did I see? Price had tapped into this other block here. Yeah, on the 15 minutes here. It had tapped into this other block. And from tapping into the other block, I was expecting a retracement into these other blocks before a strong bearish move. And so I was anticipating I'm taking a trade from around this point on this other block, because the trend was actually bullish. So I felt before he bearish slash down, he would first retrace, get a retracement out like this. So either this zone or something before the movement. But you can't really control the market. You just try to move with it. So I think there was a news event on when was this? This was straight out on Wednesday. There was a news event, so I didn't really take note of that. I thought the buy limit order, and coming back from school I saw this game. So I think this was my only trade on GBUSD. Yeah. Wow, I only traded my GBs. Now let's head to GBJPY. I see me shaggins. The first side took on this ink. We saw this really seeing price had that already seen that price had given us bullish candles. I just set my stop loss below here, anticipating that price will continue to ride upward. But I didn't see it. It didn't really was anticipated to get in go weather. On the norm, I'm supposed to wait for a change of character for price to either take out these points or these points high. Like this was a better entry point attack price had taken out this high. From here, it retraced. It should have been a better entry point around here. It's right. So GMTP understood too. It should have been a lot better. Much better trade. But in this, you understood very stupid, yeah. But, I try to move faster. I try to move faster than my shadow, so okay, fucks me up. Okay, so from the next setup I took here, this was the other block. This point, price actually gave me clean reactable. It has started pushing down already. It was a change of character from this point. Because price are taking this lower, I took it as liquidity. It had changed character. Now, it was just a retracement. Reacted a little off the other block and boom, SM. The week wasn't nice at all. Okay, and on Friday, which was yesterday, I traded. I don't really trade news, but I was on a trade during the CPI news, yeah. So I was on a trade on this other block. I waited for change of character for price to take out Europe. There was this small support, the lower time frame. I waited for price to take out the support level. Broke below it. I took my entry. Now what happened? I made profit of this trade, but it wasn't even complete 1:2. Just a little more than 1:1. As you can see. What was up? My CP was originally around here. This other block. Even seeing the CPI news. Before the news really, like 1 minute to the release, few seconds to the release, markets, these bullish candles were crazy, so they're spiking up crazy. So I closed it around here. Later on, I looked at my charts and I found out that GBP, JPY doesn't really react too much to US CPI news. Just crazy spikes. And I left out with like barely nothing. On AUD USD, this pair last week I don't really trade it this week. I traded it the most. Did me get it the most. Okay. So first of all, we check the forward time frame. You see that AUD US I was bullish, very much bullish, very bullish. Consolidate slash up. This was just well after a consolidation to go crazy. It was consolidating, so I was expecting that crazy move. I was expecting it for it. I was expecting it to take out. So wait, guy. This buy side so this high. This means that I already been crazy bullish for a while now. But you know what? Things didn't just go well. So I had this as other block. Price played around. It's okay. It's true. I also placed a buy limit order when I placed a buy limit order on GBP USD. On this trade, GBP USD, this trade are like put the buy limit order on setups. which is actually crazy because I'm not supposed to trade two pairs at the same time when I'm not going on change and when I'm going to school. But I did everything like slashed down, later went close to my TP, but I did not really take sell. I think I took another trade. I don't remember. This trade must have been against my rule because I took a lot of trades that were not in my plan, alright? A lot. I acted. Like this week, from the beginning of the week, I made losses. So most of my trades were just emotional. But revenge trading, like on this, normally my SS is supposed to be all here. But I wait for change of character, but no change of character, I rush enter market. And it is doing me crazy. It is life. It's eating me up. It's on Friday yesterday, I wanted to read CPI news. The CPI news on ADUS. This trade ADUSD. Actually, my SL was my CPI was actually below here. Next to 2. It got close. It no great. Bish. Talk close though. No great. CPI news. Well, I shall close. I close around here. This comes on this comes going up with pressure. I was break even, so I left out sharp. And this trade. Pop, and foolish. CPI news. But actually in favor of against the dollar. That's why JPY didn't really react bullish because the yen strengthened and the dollar weakened. Okay, so let's head to my MT5 so that you guys will see what's up there. So on my MT5, I see my account balance is $2. Updating this shit. People are complaining that the updated version of MetaTrader is actually disturbing them. So I don't want to update mine. So my account is actually down. So basically, this was the trade I told you that's a mistake trade. That's why I closed early. And this, the CPI news, AD, USD, and JPY. So I basically made a lot of loss. What made me really start this week like that was where's that? I took one loss on JPY that spoils the week for me. Where's that thing? JPY, I made minus $3. I'm not saying it. Okay, yeah. These two trades at the same time. So, as you can see, my account was up $11 last week and now it's down. I think let's head to my browser. No, let's head to my browser, you guys can see. Let's go to Okay. Network social equation. So so this is also my account. Let's go to statistics. Account statistics. Why is the everything just been so like ah like this is what's up negative. Making lots of losses. 15 losses. Like 15 losses. Guys, let's see what's happening. I still pray I'm able to secure payout though. I have just barely 2 weeks. Barely 2 weeks. That was my chat. You guys saw what how the week was. It was like but still locked in the grind. If I'm not actually able to escape out from this account, I actually have another plan. Pick up another accounts on another prop firm. But I still pray I'm able to make payout. The only way I'll be able to do that if I make like 7 to 8 consecutive wins, with each win being like plus $5. That's the only way I'll be able to make payouts. And that payout will just be like $30. I still pray I'm able to do that, okay? Like the week was rough. I don't think it's only me because the markets are just so choppy, even on gold. And then I got charts. It actually made moves, yeah, but there was a point where it was very choppy. We'll go again, we're still locked in. Okay, so this video has come to an end. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come and join me in my journey. Also, if you like to share insights with me, you like to teach me so 1 or 2 things, I also like to teach. That's what I know. You like to introduce me to good prop firms, to ways to get good prop firms, okay? Can click the link in the description below and join my WhatsApp channel. Okay? So I'll be sharing insights. There's also an inner group where everyone will be allowed to talk and all that. So this video has come to an end. The week was just like, okay, so peace.